Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to install Windows 95 in a virtual machine. Whether you're looking to relive the nostalgia or run old software, this process will let you experience Windows 95 on your modern computer. Let's get started. Download a virtual machine software. First, you'll need to download and install a virtual machine software like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player. In this example, we'll use VirtualBox, which is free and easy to use. Go to the official VirtualBox website and download the software for your operating system. Install VirtualBox following the on-screen instructions. Download a Windows 95 ISO or disk image. You'll need the Windows 95 installation files in ISO format. If you don't have them, you can find Windows 95 ISOs from various archives online. Make sure it's from a trusted source. You can also use an old Windows 95 CD if you have one. Create a new virtual machine. Open VirtualBox and click on New to create a new virtual machine. Name your virtual machine, e.g., Windows 95. Choose Microsoft Windows as the operating system, and select Windows 95 from the version drop-down. Click Next. Allocate memory RAM. For Windows 95, allocate about 64 MB to 128 MB of RAM. This is very light compared to modern OS requirements. Click Next. Create a virtual hard disk. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now and click Create. For the hard disk file type, select VDI VirtualBox disk image. Set the storage to dynamically allocated, which will grow as you use the disk. Allocate 2 GB to 4 GB of storage for the virtual machine. Windows 95 doesn't need much space. Click Create. Configure the virtual machine. Before starting the installation, you need to configure the virtual machine. Select the Windows 95 VM and click Settings. Under the System tab, adjust the boot order to ensure the CD/DVD drive is set to boot first. Under the Storage tab, click on the empty drive, then click the disk icon next to optical drive. Choose a disk file and select the Windows 95 ISO you downloaded earlier. Click OK to save the settings. Start the virtual machine. Now select the virtual machine and click Start. The VM should boot from the Windows 95 ISO, starting the installation process. Install Windows 95. When the Windows 95 installation screen appears, follow the on-screen prompts. Select Install Windows 95 and proceed with the installation, just like you would on a physical machine. During installation, you may need to set up partitions and format the virtual hard drive, typically FAT32. Complete the installation by following the prompts for language, time zone, and user information. Install virtual machine additions. Optional. After Windows 95 is installed, you can optionally install VirtualBox guest additions, though compatibility may be limited, for better performance and mouse integration. To do this, click on the Devices tab in VirtualBox and select Insert Guest Addition CD image. Follow the instructions inside Windows 95 to install the additions. Restart the virtual machine. Once the installation is complete, restart the virtual machine, and you should now be running Windows 95 in your virtual machine. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 95 in a virtual machine, and you're ready to enjoy some retro computing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.